My name's Wendell Stanley. I'm in Rockwall, Texas, is where I live, and since 2000 I've had about 5 back surgeries from degenerative bone, and 3 of those were 360s. And after that series of back surgeries, each one did correct particular problems. Still was having some pain. They put in a back stimulator. The back stimulator did help and work. However, whenever I did a lot of activities or worked in the yard, I had a lot of back pain that the stimulator didn't help. I'm still taking all the pills, and my main problem I was having is because of having several fusions, I developed what they call straight back, where it causes you to lean forward when you walk, and that bothered me because by leaning forward, it caused extra pain in my back going down my legs, and then I had to take the stimulator and make it work stronger. I had assumed that that was going to be my life from that point on, and the part I didn't like about leaning forward is it made me look like an older person too. I didn't particularly like that, and whenever I had really hard days, I leaned forward even more. I was sitting in a waiting room waiting to get an x-ray or something, I can't remember, and I was looking through a magazine and saw an ad for the Scoliosis Center here in Plano, and it said that it could help with straightening backs, and out of curiosity I called, told them what my condition was, and said yes, they thought they could help. They come in, and I came in, they did the x-rays and told me yes, they could help me, and told me about the procedure. And that the only deal was I'd have to go through a very involved surgery. And so I thought about it, and I'd already done the surgeries before, so figured, well, what's another one? And considering I'm 63, and thought that, well, it'd be nice to be able to walk straight again, and then if I could get rid of the pain stimulator, because the doctor did say that with the surgery he would just take the pain stimulator out because I wouldn't need it from that point on, and that way I'd no longer have to worry with having to charge that thing on a weekly basis, and it would eliminate some of my lower back and leg pain. So I did the surgery. I did it in the month of October, and right now it's March. And I can say that it's been very successful in that I started doing my yard work for the spring again, and last year when I did the yard work I had a lot of lower back pain and leg pain, and this year I've had none. Basically, since the procedure and recuperating, I've cut down on medications, don't have the pain and stuff I had before, doing what I'm walking better, and I'm walking straight again. So overall, I'd say I'm very pleased.